X5, 2027 X5. Remember what you said about having to be really on the nose about the name of a car so that people will actually treat it like a true replacement?
Yeah.
I don't know why that came to mind all of a sudden.
Like the Mercedes that needed 17 Mercedes logos on the outside. Like, please trust us. It's a Mercedes. Like, please.
It looks like the cartoon drawings where you X the eyes and it looks like it's dead.
Oh, it's so bad. And this front grille shape that they started on that new
That's
M3.
the new class design.
It's better than the giant bucktooth beaver thing they had going on.
These don't do anything for me.
Nothing at all. And they're so expensive.
Well, to be fair, this is the EV version, which they're coming out with, an EV X5. And only, as far as I know, only the EV X5 has the weird
Stupid headlights.
X lights. It looks very similar. The gas version, the opening is actually an opening in the front, and they're just like dash headlights instead of X's.
You mean, you know how much the iX was?
Oh, that big, ugly SUV thing? Yeah.
Yeah, the iX. I've seen like 3 of them, but they were like twice the cost of an X5. And they were like slower and low range, and the technology didn't work. It was just complete failure. And they're like, you know what? What if we did it again, but made it uglier?
And it's bigger, 2.5 inches longer, the wheelbase. The X5 40 uses a 3-liter inline-six, produces almost 400 horsepower, 428 pound-feet of torque. The X550E is a plug-in hybrid that produces 483 horsepower and has an estimated 44 miles of all-electric range. If you plug it in and want to drive electric, you can go about 44 miles. The electric iX5 makes
60,
thank you, makes 570 horsepower, estimated 435 miles from a 144 kilowatt-hour battery, so a decent-sized battery. Gas, rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive models start at $68,000 and $72,000 respectively. The hybrid and electric versions start at $77,500 and basically $80,000 respectively. And they plan to roll them out basically starting now, production starting now, and then through Q1 for some of the various models.
I go back to the same question we have all the time. Who buys this?
People buy them, though, and people like them. I don't get it.
I don't understand either of those statements.
We're too poor.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm partially being funny. That's really what it is.
Yeah.
We're too poor to understand the
What
appeal
did
of
Logan
this.
say? You got to get your money up.
Yeah, got to
It's
get your money up.
Very Gen Z thing to say, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what dollar value suddenly this car looks remotely attractive. Maybe if money is just inconsequential to me, then maybe I don't care what it looks like. I don't know. I don't know what the correlation
If I was
is
just
there.
like, what is the most effective way to burn $80,000?
Those handles are awful. I'm just now noticing those.
Oh yeah, they're like the Mach E handles.
We had things that work.
I know.
You know?
You just pull the handle and the door freaking opens.
What is happening?
Did you hear about that old guy that died in his...
Because he couldn't get out?
Because he couldn't get out of his... I think it was a Corvette. It was like the first generation with the electronic button, but the battery had died, and he didn't know that there was a lever.
It happens all the time with new vehicles where emergency responders can't get the car open because it's in an accident, and for whatever reason that motor's not working.
Yeah.
And it's not a physical lever you pull that physically opens the latch and pulls the door open.
Yeah.
I can go on for hours about how much I hate all of this.
Brings us right back to let's make things analog.
Simple.
Yep. Cheap.
We're old. We're old and poor.
But it's not just us, Mason. It's not just us. People want analog stuff.
People tell us in the comments if
it's
they
the
agree.
biggest, as far as trends go, and I am not on top of any of them.
I know.
Apparently it's a really big thing that everyone wants to have, like the old style kitchens and simple and old style. People are looking back to easier, simpler stuff.
Simplicity.
Yep.